Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's simplify square root 3072. So there's the square. Okay, this one has a lot of prime numbers, a lot of the same prime numbers. So let's get started. We need to find all the prime numbers multiplied together equals 3072. So let's begin with, I know that, because I did this ahead of time, 48 times 64 equals 3072. Now with 48, I can go 6 times 8 because I know my times tables, okay? And then 6 is 3 times 2. We have two prime numbers here, so let's circle them. 8 is 4 times 2. We have a prime here. And then 2 and 2. Now 64 is 8 times 8, okay? And then 8 times, both 8s are 4 and 2, circle this because it's prime, and 4 and 2, circle the 2 is prime, and then 2 more 2s. And if you haven't figured out by now, 3072 has a lot of prime numbers of 2. In fact, let's count them because we're going to place all this under a square root sign. I don't know if you actually have to draw the square root sign, but I always do just because that's kind of my habit. So let's count how many 2's I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 2's. So let's see if I can get 10 2's up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have a 3 left over. Right there's the lone 3. So now since it's a square root, I can pull out pairs. So I have one pair and then another pair. Oops, not a 5. I don't know what I was thinking. We have a pair here and a pair here. There's another pair. And you've probably figured out by now, 10 will have 5 pairs of 2. And then we have the 3 still stuck underneath the square root sign. Then I just multiply these together. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8. Then 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 is 32. And we still have this square root 3 under the square root. So it is square root 3. So there it is, 32 square root 3. That's what 3072 is simplified. I hope that was helpful.